Welcome to the future of seamless integration. In this guide, we'll show you how to sync Shopify orders directly to Zoho Inventory, ensuring accurate updates to your product stock. Let's streamline your operations and evaluate your business efficiency starting right now. The extension name is Shopify Extension for Zoho Inventory. Here's the extension installation process. First, choose the organization and authorize the connector. The connector authorized successfully and click Next. It got installed. You can see the web tab on the home screen named Shopify Extension. You can add a new Shopify store here. Note, you can add up to 7 stores. Here are a few details that need to be added from your Shopify store. Go to your Shopify store admin login, then go to Settings menu. And on the left side, you can see Apps and Sales Channel. Then click Apps and Sales Channels, then click Develop an App, and click Create an App. In that, add a name like Shopify to Zoho Inventory. Then click Create an App button, and then add Click Configure API Scope Set Permissions. Next, please ensure that all these scopes are configured and install the custom app. Here, Shopify generated a new API access token credential for accessing store data via API. To copy the credential by clicking Copy icon and paste the credential to the inventory respective fields. Here, there is an option for package and shipment creation, invoice conversion, invoice date selection, and payment creation. Additionally, we have a feature for payment capture to your specified account, and it will connect the Shopify store with Zoho Inventory to ensure the toaster message, its connection is successful or not. And now the connection is successful. From now, all your Shopify and related informations will be synced to Zoho Inventory seamlessly. Now, going to create new order in the Shopify store. Now it will sync instantly to Zoho Inventory. Here we have captured the Shopify order contact and products with tax, shipping, and billing address information. If you enable the package and shipment conversion options in the store, when the Shopify order is fulfilled, the package shipment, invoice, and payment will be created. Here we have an option for sync missed order manually by clicking Sync Order button. Once click Done, enter the valid sale order number and click Sync Order button. Then the order got synced successfully. You can activate and to active the store by clicking the Status button. Once you disable the status, the order sync will be stopped. There is an option to view the created sale record count on Dashboard tab. In the Field Mapping section, you can view default mapped fields. In the Settings tab, if you select the Inventory to Shopify Sync option, the Warehouse tab will be displayed. Here, you should map the warehouse where you want to update the stock. Stock has been successfully updated in the selected mapped warehouse location, and there is an option to delete the store by clicking Delete Click. Yes. Store and related information will be deleted. Now the store deleted successfully. Thank you for watching this video.